I'm at the old JCPenney's parking lot, the staging area for the Sequim Valley Car Club members, to head on over to the car show. All the beautiful cars are getting parked for the show. Take some time to get this going. It's going to be at least 175 cars today. Do a quick walkthrough. Actually kind of fun to watch the cars moving than just stationary. Registration's over at the covered tents, canopies, already aligned. Getting set up and registered. Good spot for the Model A. I think all the vehicles are pretty much here now, so we'll do a walkthrough. Go down to the end here so I have better lighting coming back. Looks like we're done registering people.
I'm about 12 years.
It wouldn't be real bad, and then you got that nice new steering and everything. Yeah, I think they just spin, go up for a little ride.
Gosh, she's beautiful.
It was a little girl came by, tiny little thing.
Shirt, and I'm like, okay,
Clallam County Fire District number 3. Crowds are increasing. It's a beautiful day here.
If you get it to the car.
Beautiful vehicles.
She ain't the prettiest, but she is trying to turn to me. She picked me up.
Reaching the end of the car show. Almost made it all the way to 3rd Avenue. I'm gonna walk back to my Model A, sit down, take a break, have some coffee, and chat with people as they pass by. This guy joined me at the car show after we had some lunch. Wonder how long it'll be before people notice her in the back. What do you think, Sky? Well, Sky found a friend. Never mind the pretty cars.
That's not very funny.
Another helicopter flying over. This looks like a Coast Guard. Chinook was flying over earlier. That's interesting. middle of the day now. Lighting has changed.
To go on my 60th birthday with a big bow on top of it.
We bought a grill, a gas grill, patio.
The beginning of the car show. Sequim Avenue. Washington Street is shut down.
Towards that side of the street, because I knew it was the
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you guys. See you later. We'll see you at the store.
I've taken a break from the car watching. Starting to wind down. A passerby who wants a picture with my truck. And with permission, can I put you on YouTube?
Yes, you can.
All right. I'll give you my card. Time to draw the numbers.
Okay, 225-8912. Okay, we're gonna move on to number 2 there, Larry. Number 2 is Wild Birds Unlimited, Hummingbird Feeder and Accessories. Our president, or whatever his title is, Larry Perry. $45 value, $15 per book, brand new set. Okay, here we go. 212-8099. Oh, this is the lavender gift basket. 212-8148. 2258795. A die-cast Porsche 911 GT3, ending in 9008. Right here. You didn't have to show me if you wrote your name on there. Thank you, sir. This is another ball cap tee, one of those gift bags, grab bags. 2128005. Now we have 2, we'll do 2 in a row. They're $50 each from Doghouse. 2258936. 2128258. Okay, we have probably everybody that lives here has been to Rain Shadow Coffee. Thank you. 504-9969. Thank you very much for doing the 50-50. So he collected $364. You get half. So you get $182 cash.
The judge that we picked, he's an anonymous individual. So it's his favorite choice out of all the vehicles. So we broke it down into several categories. For the first one is a favorite Ford. It's a item number. The entry number is 1105, a '57 T-Bird owned by Dan Kalinsky.
Good job.
The second one, the favorite Chevrolet, 41 Chevy Special. Joe Flint is the owner.
All right.
Item number 1004, Dodge Coronet Suburban, Bill Barrett.
Oh, Bill Barrett.
That's Sandy's car?
Yeah, the Sandy Keys car.
That's Sandy's car. We're going to Sandy's barn later. That's his car.
And the next one, favorite bike. Excuse me, 1137, Thomas Johnson and his Indian Scout. Work in progress. That's the one with no label on it. Work in progress. Figures item number 1109, a '67 Ford Falcon owned by Brian Eaton. Favorite Volkswagen. Entry number 1080, a Volkswagen convertible. Alan Smith is the owner. It's a 1955 convertible. Beautiful car. Favorite truck. The Chevy, a 1959, owned by Leo and Beth Briggs. Favorite wagon. Entry number 1147, I don't know what year it is, Country Squire. Mike Sullivan is the owner. Is he around? We'll set it aside for him. The judge himself had his own favorite. Entry number 1102, a 28 Ford owned by Ken Roth. Kenny. Now, before I do the next one, there's a car cruise after this. I don't know how many of you intend to go on it. If you're going to go on it, the exit is down that way at the red light. You take a right at the red light and go to the school parking lot. Great things with the scholarships last year. I want to do the same thing this year. We've got really good support. I really like all the cars that have come today. Everybody that comes to this stuff is first class, so we really appreciate it. Bruce, head of the Rat Rod, is going to tell us who his favorite is.
Today's winner is Little John in his 1946 Dodge.
Participant's choice, number 1056, Martin Little with his Dodge Charger, 68. Cautiously.
Nice car. Yep.
And please come back next year.
Car show's over. I didn't win anything, but that's okay. Beautiful day, beautiful cars. I'm not going to go on the cruise. I'm going to go check out this storage spot in a barn. The new storage location for my 31 Model A pickup. What a cool place. Found the flyer at the car show, it called the number, and here we are. Perfect storage location. Not far from home and close to the beach.